Hello, today we are going to be drag racing, tug of war, and anything else we can think of. And it's going to be the Craftsman DTY 4000 versus the Yamaha YT 3600 shaft-driven hydro OHV. And the drivers, Brandon Braddock,
Yamaha,
and Tal Armstrong. Alright, start your engines. Here, stop. Go. Alright, get tension. Get tension. The retarded dog. Alright, hold on. Alright, go. Alright, it's pretty even right now. Looks like the Yamaha has a little bit of advantage. Oh, that could be it right there. Now the Yamaha's pulling. Oh, now he stopped. This is very close. They both have good strategies. Oh. I'm worried about breaking something. I think he may be hung up on his deck. Yeah, I think he's hitting the deck right there. Oh, look at that strategy. He's turning his wheel. Very smart on his part. I don't know what that will help. I just think it's smart. Oh. I think the Craftsman's got him. It's still anyone's game. Now Brandon's trying to back out. Now, yeah, Brandon's in the rut. Stop! Stop! Stop!
I stopped you on the rest. Why'd you stop?
Alright. Tal won.
No, I fucking went all the way and touched the barrel. No, because these are so deep, you couldn't even pull me out. I had to go in reverse to pull myself out. I pulled you out, didn't I? I was in reverse. Well, look at the footage. They decide. You two viewers, you decide.